Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video, I will teach you how to make auto caption to your video while editing your video or content creation. So first, select create project. Okay, and then let's say we have media here. Then I will make a voice recording. Okay, let's start. We'll make a recording of my voice. So just select right here and okay. Hi, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video, I will teach you how to. Okay, and then uh, okay, just select this audio and then go to caption, then okay, then just generate this. Select spoken language. So mine, I will select auto detect. So my default language is English, so it's okay. Just click generate, and as you can see here, it's automatically generated. What I say earlier. Okay, then you're gonna apply a template here. Just select this text, then go to templates. Okay, so I will select the one I like here. Okay, let's say let's try this one. Okay, then oh, it's very cool, guys. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video, I will teach you how to. So this is it, guys. So I hope you like my video and this uh episode tutorial on how to make an auto caption to your CapCut editor. Thank you, guys, and see you in next video.